Hello children, good morning. So how are you all? So I hope everyone is fine and everyone is doing well. So in the before session we have completed the explanation part. So explanation part was completed. So in this session we are going to discuss workbook part. Okay, workbook part. So everyone, so before I'm starting the workbook part, what you have to do? You have to sit with your textbook and the workbook. Okay, so that whatever the spellings if you can't write, that you can write from your textbook. Yeah children, so everyone open your workbook and the textbook. So I'll start dictating. Okay, see here. So everyone open page number 19. So which lesson we are discussing? Which lesson? Which lesson? Lesson number 5, fruits and seeds. So fruits and seeds. So as an explanation part is completed. So how the dispersal of seeds will be taking place with the help of wind and also water. So like that we have discussed. Okay, explosions. Okay. Now we are going to discuss. So how many seeds. So how the seeds will be there. That all we discussed. No, that only we are going to discuss in the workbook also. See our children. So first one, page number 19, first one. Name the fruit, name the fruit with one seed, only one seed. In which fruit will be, while explanation only we have discussed. So in which fruit only one seed will be there? Pomegranate, pomegranate, mango, apple, jackfruit. In which? In which? Yeah. In which children? Mango. So we can see in mango only one seed. So it is option B. The next one. Which of the following fruits have seeds outside the fruit? Outside the fruit. I have mentioned it clearly. Outside the fruit we are having a seed. Okay, for which fruit? Mango, papaya, cashew, guava. For which fruit? Yeah, cashew. So for cashew, we'll see outside. So we'll see outside. Okay, the seed will be outside. Next, fruits of fruit of papaya has dash seeds in it. So in papaya only one seed, two seeds, then more seeds will be there, no, in papaya. Yeah, so many seeds. In papaya, we can see many seeds. So most of the plants produce dash and dash, dash and dash. So sorry, dash and seeds. So most of the plants will produce fruits and seeds. Fruits and seeds. Yeah. Next, which creature use fruits as food? So which creatures will use fruits as food? So which creatures? In that creatures we are also there. Human, birds, humans, birds, animals. Humans, birds and animals. Next, name a fruit with few seeds. Only few seeds will be there. In which? Apple and orange. So we can see only few seeds in apple and orange. Yeah. Next, why do we use most of the fruits as food? So why do we use most of the fruits as food? Right. Most of the fruits. So most of the fruits. Most of the fruits. Most of the fruits. Most. Most. OF of T-H-E, T-H-E the. So most of the fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits are, most of the fruits are fleshy, fleshy, F-L-E-S-H-Y. Most of the fruits are, most of the fruits are fleshy, tasty, and nutritious. So most of the fruits are fleshy, tasty, and nutritious. So we use them. So we use them as our food. Okay. Most of the fruits. So most of the fruits are fleshy, tasty, and nutritious. So fleshy, tasty, and nutritious. So for what purpose we will use them? So we use them as our, food. Most of the fruits are fleshy, tasty, and nutritious. So we use them as our food. Next, so match the following. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So first, so we can see dandelions. So dandelions, no? So dispersal of seeds by air. So first one is by air. So first one is C. So next we can see it is in the water. So we see dispersal of seeds by water. So A. Next, for birds, dispersal of seeds by birds. So D. Next, explosion, dispersal of seeds by explosion. So it is B. So we can see the figures with the help of the diagrams. So first one is through air. Next one through water. Next through birds. Next through explosion. Next, what is germination? So what is germination? The process, start writing children. The process, so I will not write on the board. You are not small kids, no? Yeah. So the process, T-H-E the, P-R-O-C-E-S-S, process, the process by, B-Y by, which, W-H-I-C-H, the process by which a seed grows, a seed, S-E-E-D, seed, the process by which a 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 seed grows into a new plant is called germination. So the process by which a seeds grow into a new plant. The process by which a seed grow into a new plant is called germination. So I am writing on the board means, so I am writing for the slow learners. So slow learners also, so mostly we can see the same type of wordings in same type of sentence formations in the textbook. So while I am explaining, so while I am dictating, so 2 to 3 times I am going on repeating. So I think you can write. Okay. So try to write. So already the remaining lessons, the whatever up to now completed, so maximum I dictated. So try to write. So if you are going on writing, so now you are in 5th class. Now also if you are seeing on going on writing by seeing on the board. Then so try to write, okay, try to write while I'm dictating 2 to 3 times. I'm dictating, and also I'm going on repeating the spellings also. So if it is a hard spellings or small spellings also I'm repeating. So please try to write by listening the video. Yeah, children. So the process by which a seed grows into a new plant. It is called as germination. It is called as germination. Next one. How are human beings involved in the dispersal of seeds? Okay, human beings, how they are involved. So I already said no. So in the dresses they will start the seeds, and also in our slippers and also the shoes that you have to write. The seeds, the seeds, the the seeds, seeds get get struck, struck to cloths, struck to cloths, cloths of of farmers, farmers, farmers. The seeds get struck to cloths of farmers, and in the end are dispersed. Okay, the seeds get, okay, the seeds get struck to the cloths of farmers, and they are dispersed. In this way, full stop. In this way, humans, humans, humans involved, involved, involved in dispersal, dispersal, dispersal of seeds, seeds, seeds. Once again I am repeating, the seeds, the seeds, the seeds get, the seeds get struck, the seeds get struck to cloths of farmers, to cloths of farmers, and are dispersed, and are dispersed. In this way, humans, in this way, humans involved, in this way, humans involved in dispersal of, dispersal of seeds. Yeah, children. So till here we have completed. Half of the workbook part is completed, and in the next session we'll complete the remaining half, and also I'll tell what you have to write in your CW. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. So try to complete this workbook today itself. Yeah, children. So stay home, stay safe.